Let's explore an example device and see what information we can get. First, you should find your example device. You may select the building on the map and select Sensors to filter out all the sensors in the current building. Or you can simply type device, popular name, or litera into the search box. Next, click on your example sensor and open Details. You'll see the main information about the sensor and also the edge status, which shows the current status of the sensor. This is important to understand if the sensor is properly connected to the system or not. The current status is OK, but it can also be warning if observation frequency dropped, or error if there are no observations coming from the sensor. You will also see the sensor's last observation. This is useful to get a quick glimpse of the current state of the sensor. You can explore the sensor observation by switching to the Sensor Values tab. This will give you a historical view of the observations from the sensor. You can change the time period or aggregation. Also, such useful information as average, minimum, and maximum values for the chosen period is displayed. If you need additional assistance, feel free to contact us via email, support@proptechos.com. Thanks for watching.